EV range and route planning is built into the navigation of your ID vehicle, allowing you to drive with confidence. Select Navigation from the main menu and tap the Sub-menu button in the bottom left-hand corner of the map. In here, you can adjust the volume of the guidance voice. You can also change colour settings or leave it as auto. But what's important is to ensure that charging stations is switched on. Tap the Charging Stations filter button and you can select what type of charging stations you want your navigation to feature. Turn Available Charging Stations on to ensure your navigation features only available charging stations. Back in the sub-menu, turn the Range view on. On the map, you can now zoom out to see a highlighted area that indicates your current approximate range. Select Destination, and you're presented with destinations based on previous journeys, or you can select Last Destination, or your favourites. Select a destination and it will calculate the route. If your destination is outside of your current range, your ID vehicle will include the necessary charging stops within the route. The animation on the right-hand side of the map shows journey progress, with these stops included. Select a stop. It will tell you what time you are due to get there and your estimated charge level when you arrive. Select the destination. It will tell you how long until you reach the stop and how long you need to charge for when you get there. That's intelligent EV navigation with your ID.